Hello, Forex for Beginners Academy. This is Boy CCTV from Botswana. How are you doing, guys? I'm so great. I'm so happy right now. I've just been from a lesson by Sad Ali, the great and the only one from Forex for Beginners Academy. This man is the real deal, guys. There are no scams here. The best group ever. He teaches you to be a professional trader. I've been testing his strategies, doing everything he does. His course, guys, this is wonders for free, guys. This is all for free. There are no signals. That you are just being taught to be yourself, be a professional trader without any payments whatsoever. And you are going to be taught these skills in the best platform ever, TradingView, guys. Please, guys, join this group by Sad Ali, Forex for Beginners Academy. You'll never get disappointed. I've been doing Forex for 5 years now. I've always come across scams, Telegram signals, nothing best. All these things, they want to cash for you to try and be a successful trader, but at the end you end up using your money and everything, guys. Please join Sad Ali, guys. Join Forex for Beginners Academy. You'll never be disappointed. Anywhere where you are right now, I'm in Botswana and I'm making profits, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Please just join this group. You will thank me later, guys.